Iniesta, we're going to challenge you. This is the new trending mala 酸辣粉. Okay, you're going to first cook it. Okay, after that, you're going to try and eat it. Each time you need to drink water because it is spicy, you have to soft the cube before you can drink water. Are you game for it?
Yes, this is gonna be extremely funny, and I don't know how I'm gonna react. Okay, we've just done putting everything inside, so we are gonna have some like hot water in it. It's gonna be extremely hot before it sprays on more face. Some defense. Okay, so it's gonna take some time. Okay. And everybody, if you like my videos, please press the subscribe button. Alright, now I got a cup of milk. So whenever I had to drink a milk, I will have to solve a Rubik's Cube. Now it's completely soft. I will only mix it up when... Okay, I'm not gonna mix up, but my mother's gonna mix it up for me. So I'm gonna start it soon. I'm just gonna show you how it looks like. I had this challenge because I was bad in eating mala, because I have never eat it before. I don't eat spicy food. I maybe just a bit, but not really.
Are you ready for the challenge?
Yes.
Go!
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that was extremely spicy. Okay, I think I'm gonna drink a milk. So let's mix it up. Finish.
Okay. Take a sip.
Okay, every time I finishes just soft once, I can only drink one sip. So I'm gonna continue. Oh no, this is gonna be funny. Okay, I got something before we continue filming. So see you later. Okay, now I have continued filming this video. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna take another one and then I'm gonna describe how it really feels like. You know, it's really spicy. Most spiciest thing I ever had in my life. Okay, it was extremely spicy. Now I'm gonna tell you how it feels like. Okay, after you're done eating it, you feel like your tongue is like very spicy. So I think I need another sip of the milk. So I'm gonna solve the Rubik's Cube again.
I'm just gonna randomly.
Oh please, a little bit harder more. Yeah. One, Okay, it's gonna take a long time. Not a long time. Like, I can try to be fast, but if you've seen one of my video is teaching a friend how to solve a Rubik's cube, you will find me teaching my friend how to solve a cube. Since now there is some kind of virus outside, so everyone has been staying at home just to protect themselves, staying healthy. So you might get to that video and see what I teach, but I did pause because I need to continue filling next time because there's something wrong with my cube. So I'm gonna continue solving because the spiciness, I can't take it anymore. Oh no. This is another. Okay, it's gonna take a little time, but a little time, so you guys could just hang up. I will just finish this cube in 0 seconds. Okay, I have figured a way how to solve it. I find this piece and then we're just gonna twist it and then it's gonna be back in order. So, and then now I solve the Rubik's cube. And then be sure that you watch the rest of my videos and please click the subscribe button. Thank you for today's video. Bye. See you on the next video. Maybe very soon I'm just gonna make a new challenge.